Hello everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to have you here today. Today, we're diving into the world of Agile and Scrum methodologies. This is the introduction slide, so I'll keep it brief. We'll start with an overview of what Agile and Scrum are, why they matter, and how they can help your projects succeed. So let's get started. Let's start with a brief introduction to Agile. Agile is a mindset or philosophy that emphasizes flexibility, collaboration, and customer-centric development. It encourages teams to adapt quickly to change and deliver value incrementally. This approach has revolutionized how we manage projects because it prioritizes working solutions over rigid plans. Now, building on that, we'll explore Scrum, which is a specific methodology within the Agile framework. Scrum helps teams implement Agile principles effectively by providing a clear structure and roles. So, in the next slides, we'll dive deeper into how Scrum supports Agile values and how it can be applied in real-world projects. Let's start with an introduction to Agile. Agile is all about flexibility and collaboration in project management. It emphasizes working in small, manageable pieces called iterations or sprints, which allow teams to adapt quickly to changes. This approach contrasts with traditional methods that often follow a linear, step-by-step process. The key points to remember are the focus on continuous improvement, open communication, and delivering value early and often. Agile encourages teams to be responsive to feedback and to prioritize customer needs throughout the project. By embracing Agile, organizations can become more adaptable, improve product quality, and ultimately deliver better outcomes. This concept ties into the overall theme of our presentation, highlighting innovative methods to enhance efficiency and effectiveness in project delivery. So, what is Agile? Well, Agile is a project management methodology that really focuses on being flexible and adaptable throughout the project. It encourages collaboration among team members and aims for high customer satisfaction by delivering value in small, manageable pieces through iterative development. Under the Agile umbrella, there are several frameworks, each with its own unique practices and roles. For example, Scrum is one of the most popular, with its structured sprints and roles like Scrum Master and Product Owner. Then there's Kanban, which visualizes work on boards to improve flow and efficiency. And also Extreme Programming, or XP, which emphasizes technical excellence and customer involvement. The key thing to understand is that Agile isn't just a set of rules. It's a mindset that prioritizes adaptability, teamwork, and continuous improvement. This approach helps teams respond quickly to change and keeps the focus on delivering value to the customer at every step. As we explore the other parts of this presentation, you'll see how these frameworks support that core Agile philosophy. Now, let's take a closer look at the Agile Manifesto and its principles. These 12 principles serve as a foundation for Agile practices, guiding how teams work together to deliver value. They emphasize key concepts like customer satisfaction, which remains our top priority, and the importance of welcoming change, even late in the development process. This flexibility helps us stay aligned with customer needs and market dynamics. The principles also highlight the value of self-organizing teams, encouraging members to collaborate and continuously improve their processes. This ongoing improvement ensures we adapt and refine our approach as we learn. Moving on to the core values, the Agile Manifesto outlines 4 essential principles. These values put people and interactions above processes and tools, emphasizing that effective communication and collaboration are crucial. They prioritize working software over comprehensive documentation, because delivering functional products is our ultimate goal. Customer collaboration takes precedence over contract negotiation, fostering a partnership mindset. Lastly, responding to change is valued more than rigidly following a plan, which allows us to stay agile and responsive in a dynamic environment. Overall, these principles and values reinforce the core theme of adaptability and people-centricity, which are vital for successful Agile implementation. Let's take a moment to introduce Scrum, a popular Agile framework that helps teams work more efficiently and adaptively. Scrum emphasizes collaboration, flexibility, and delivering value quickly. It's centered around a set of roles, events, and artifacts that keep the team aligned and focused. The key idea is to break work into manageable pieces called sprints, usually lasting a few weeks, so teams can regularly assess progress and make improvements. This approach promotes transparency and continuous feedback, which are vital for success in dynamic projects. As we explore further, you'll see how Scrum's principles support a more responsive and productive way of working, aligning perfectly with our overall goal of fostering innovation and agility. So, what exactly is Scrum? Well, Scrum is an agile framework that helps teams work together more effectively and make progress in a series of small, manageable steps. It's built around some key elements that keep everything organized and focused. First, there are roles, like the Scrum Master, who acts as a facilitator and coach for the team. Then, we have artifacts, such as the product backlog, which is basically a prioritized list of features or tasks that need to be done. And of course, there are ceremonies or events, like the sprint review, where the team demonstrates what they've accomplished and plans for the next cycle. The main goal of Scrum is to foster collaboration and continuous improvement. It encourages teams to work in short, time-boxed iterations called sprints, which help us stay flexible and adapt quickly to changes. Overall, Scrum is all about creating a structured yet flexible environment that drives steady progress toward clear goals. It's a powerful way to manage complex projects and ensure everyone is aligned and working towards the same objectives. Now, let's take a closer look at the Scrum process. The daily Scrum is a really important part of our routine. It's a quick, focused meeting where the team comes together to synchronize their activities and plan for the next 24 hours. The goal here is to ensure everyone is on the same page and to identify any obstacles early on. Then, at the end of each sprint, we have the sprint review. This is where we assess our progress, review what has been accomplished, and gather feedback to inform future work. Moving on, sprint planning is another critical meeting. It's a collaborative session where the team discusses and decides what work will be tackled in the upcoming sprint. This planning helps us set clear goals and ensures everyone understands what needs to be done. Overall, these meetings keep the team aligned, promote transparency, and drive continuous improvement throughout the project. Thank you for your attention. I want to thank Vinay Prasad for editing this presentation, which helped shape these ideas. And most importantly, thank you all for being here and engaging with this material. I hope it sparks some new perspectives and questions. This is the end of our journey together today, but I encourage you to keep thinking critically and applying these concepts in your work. Thanks again for your time and interest.